Hi, I'm Divyanka Tripathi Dahiya and you're watching Telefilms.
It's really nice to see you all today.
How important is Women's Day?
I think Women's Day is in totality a celebration, and it is a day to give respect and consider that yes, women are whatever they are doing in their respective fields, they are making a difference, and their validation is so very much important to this world. Also, I feel that a little more equality is what is needed for the woman to grow further in any trade, in any business. So I feel Women's Day in totality is a celebration. It's to all the moms out there, to all the ladies out there, to all the daughters out there, to all the individual women who are trying to make a difference in this world.
Who's your host tonight?
So today I'm here to be, I have been doing my PR with Shimmer. So today I am being hosted by them, and I so look forward to the grand evening. And again, Shimmers, they have two beautiful women who are like entrepreneurs, and you have Namita, you have Tasneem, and it's been started by them, and I think I was one of their initial clients, and ever since then I have only been associated with them here in Mumbai.
What happening on professional front?
Yeah.
अगर आपको चांस मिला तो कौन सी ऐसी लॉ या एनी कॉज यू वांट टू स्टार्ट
एक लॉ और एक कॉज जो आपने पूछा कि मैं लेडीज़ के लिए, वुमेन आउट देयर के लिए स्टार्ट करना चाहूँगी, दैट यू नो देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स what I have noticed even in my personal life, a lot of times, it has so happened, in fact, post-COVID, a lot of men, they are trying upon you, and once you say that, no, I am not interested or anything, they say, oh shit, oh, we were just kidding or something like that. It has, I was just discussing it with my friends, it has become a new trend, a new trick for men to try on a woman, and then when the woman holds herself back, they say, I was just kidding or something. So this is a very different thing which is happening in the society, and at the end of it, what you are trying to convey to a woman, that you were just misunderstanding me or you just made a fool out of yourself. No, I just want to say that women are very smart, and anything of that sort, if a woman is facing in a work scenario or any scenario, that should also be taken in consideration, because that is also kind of not molestation, but you are just trying to harm their psyche somewhere. You feel bad about it, that what happened, what really happened, was it a mistake or I misunderstood, but somewhere it's triggering your mind. So why you are trying to act in a particular manner where a woman is having that question mark, and that something like that, I would like to start this cause where women can come together and they can have at least a discussion, and one woman can help suggesting another woman that yes, this was your experience and this was my experience, and things like that, they are happening in society, and that also needs a calling. And this is really happening with a lot of people even going to college, girls going to college, girls going to even school, of course at workplaces. So maybe a society where women can just come together and just have a discussion, because a discussion makes a lot of difference, and new ideas coming from another woman, it really can make a difference to the society in large.
What happening on professional front? What happening on professional front?
On the professional front, I completed a web film in Telugu where I mostly work, and I also completed a web film here in Bollywood. It's going to be coming on a new OTT which is being launched in a very big manner. So I'm really looking forward. The Hindi one is a cute 23-minute story, and it's been shot very well. There's also one song in it, so I hope you're going to enjoy watching that one. I think it's getting launched in the month of March itself, so I'm really looking forward to that. Apart from that, I have a couple of more films in Telugu which I'm looking forward to. Maybe we are going to start rolling in April. Not maybe, but we are going to start rolling in April. So I'm looking forward to that also.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.